Guys, last time I did on my live, you see, and right you, I call me, go up on him live. And when me here say, I right over there with Rosealee, you want me to come on him live, with that wicked girl who sent 3 boys at the park to me, oh, me must go for play a match with Rosealee on the live with him. No, me cannot do that. Right, I cannot do it. Me no want a friend from Rosealee. Me no want a friend from Rosealee. No time again. Because look here, people on TikTok and all over on the Instagram, we are talk about Rosealee and the 3 months when she said, Rosealee couldn't send that to Roger. Rosealee and Roger go on the memory road, one with a bag of war, and Rosealee couldn't send a man and look into Roger. She couldn't send nobody for cash her out of them and told. Why she have to do me? Show me I eat that boy. I mean, no sense. Look how my rather go wicked on the internet. And she couldn't do that. She couldn't smell the shit up hell to do that to Roger. Akasha. Talk to me, people. I want to talk to me, people, this morning. One day, my company is up right now and talk about Rosealee. Rosealee couldn't do that to nobody else. Nobody else Rosealee couldn't do that to me. She cannot do it to Roger because she ain't going to go on the member rule. You hear me? I tell you, and she couldn't do that. You hear? Just send a man that looks into Roger. Plus, Kasha will leave her them and told. She couldn't do. Kasha and she war every minute and Rosealee couldn't do that. Rosealee couldn't do that. She couldn't do that to Roger. Why you come do that to me? Show me I eat that boy. Oh, come on phone. Big and blood clot, blood. Oh, make a send to over there. Make a send to over there for beat him. Yes. And for make the enemy them pan TikTok for hear about me. Everybody calling and talk about Derrick mom. Everybody keep live, you know. Everybody keep them live, you know. Yes, everybody keep them live. Mental she keep live. This one keep live. Everybody keep them live, you know, and talk. Yes, I'm gonna box and uno man gonna box and I talk about things them. I want to call ugly girl with name. I'm both have a pig. Langboard pig. Girl with name Pepper she. I don't know what happened to that girl. I don't know what happened to that big mouth ugly girl, you know. Yeah, that ugly mouth girl. I don't know what happened to that ugly mouth girl. She does in everybody's business. She in everybody's business. When we talk about people business, why she go to him, live gone through the bad and go to people married man. And the girl say a lot of things about her, you know. I mean, have the girl file, you know. Same time when she on the live with Rosealee, you know. The girl, I said on the blood clot back to call my name. And quickly one come from foreign, you know, and say, Derrick, make it one. And then one send a bag of things come give me for the girl, you know. Everything me have for the girl, you know. Don't worry, Saul, me have for the girl. And the man was she now the bed at 6 and a bag of things. And she got a take set upon me. Preach it to me, pastor. Preach it to me, I preach this morning. Preach it. Yeah. The girl Pepper, she. I'm a little one when you have Zoe, she, you know, left girlfriend too. She want to, you know, jump up in a box. I get your number, you know. Zoe, I get your number. Zoe, I get your number. Zoe. Me no Zoe go. Let's find go better herself. She's not back to mix up people. All of them. Yeah. Everybody keep life. Yeah. The one ugly foot, Tatiana, she were want to be woman. She did my name too. And the mad boy named Derrick madman. Me can't bother pay Derrick, because Derrick is mad. He's sick now in brain. Because Derrick see me in run pan down on the blood clot road. Because I don't friend Derrick name out a garbage man. Derrick name out on Anua Street. And see on King Street. Because I know what them a blood clot talk about. Derrick a mad blood clot boy, you know. Derrick a mad boy. Man I look pan him. Yeah. Plus mental. I can't help mental. I don't bother with mental. When he come on TikTok and I go on him, I don't look on him. Because when he man show you, breaking news, and I back the blood clot head. When I pay him the mind of love. When I pay him the mind of love because them are late. Them feel later than blood clot. You know see, OTC come off of the blood clot map here, of a TikTok. Fabulous. They say Fabulous gone to blood clot. Fabulous not on TikTok. Don't give no more trouble. And the one blood clot catch man girl will live out of St. Thomas. Yes, as she at the back out of St. Thomas. The girl come from out of Albany. Big thinking crazy where I can catch man like a dog. She's a dog catcher. She catch man from downtown Kingston all over back road and Paliraya. Now back road girl can't chat to me a blood. You crazy, you catch man like a dogs. Dogs and puppy dogs. And all kind of dog in your old. You can't argue me. Dead old girl. Dead old girl. But take out the maggots out of your old. Go and take out the maggots out of your old and stop your old with some toilet paper. They make the maggots drop up on the toilet paper now. Blood clot. Where dead old crazy. Come swipe me and goodbye.